Francisco Bustamante, born December 29, 1963, is a Filipino professional pool player from Tarlac, Central Luzon, and the 2010 World 9-Ball champion. Nicknamed Django, after the lead character of the 1966 film of the same name, and sometimes also called Busty, especially in the United States. Bustamante has won over 100 international titles and is considered one of the greatest pool players of all time. Bustamante is the youngest of 8 siblings. He picked up the nickname Django because his character and his appearance with a cigarette in his mouth was reminiscent of the movie character of that name. His father made a living through building toilets and planting rice. And Bustamante also worked in these activities. He began working in his sister's pool hall, racking and spotting balls on the tables and practicing alone on the tables after the hall had closed. Bustamante never completed high school and concentrated on pocket billiards from 10 years of age. After some success in the Philippines, Bustamante moved to Germany, where he stayed for over 10 years, competing in a number of tournaments in Europe. On July 27, 2010, Francisco Bustamante, along with Terry Bell and Larry Hubbard, founders of the American Pool Players Association APA, were elected to the Billiard Congress of America Hall of Fame and inducted on October 21, 2010. Bustamante was the second player from the Philippines to be inducted after Efren Reyes. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.